Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together your next kit. This is a really important kit because we're going to use it to demonstrate 3 different molecular biology processes. We're going to use it for DNA replication, for transcription, and for translation. So you want to take out your kit and let me share my screen here and show you the parts you're going to need. You want to take out the plastic bag that has this sheet in it. That's called the Nucleotide Student Modeling Pack. So you want the Nucleotide Student Modeling Pack. Now, in that pack, you're going to need the following things. So take those out now. You're going to need this sheet, which you're going to use as a model for RNA polymerase. And then you're going to need this sheet, and you're going to cut 3 things out from this sheet. A model for helicase, a representation of the enzyme DNA polymerase, and the growing mRNA strand. Now, in the email I sent to you, I sent you a link to the PDF of this sheet, and I strongly suggest that if you have access to a printer, print out a second copy of this sheet. And here's why. Because in real life, DNA replication is occurring simultaneously on both strands of the DNA. Because remember, DNA is a double helix on the leading strand and what we call the lagging strand. So I think it's more realistic when you model it if you have 2 of these DNA molecules, DNA polymerase molecules to work with. So if you have access to a printer, print out an extra copy of this page. If you don't worry about it. It's going to be fine. Okay. And then what you also need, you want to take out your nucleotides. Okay. So you should have a red sheet to represent your A nucleotides, a yellow sheet to represent the T nucleotides, green for guanine, and blue for cytosine. You also should have a white sheet to represent uracil. When are you going to use uracil? That's right, when we're talking about transcription. Because T, thymine, is not present in RNA, uracil is. So you also have that white one. All right, so stop the video and get those. 2 more things. You also need some tape and you need some scissors. So stop the video and get your supplies together and then come back once you have them all together. Okay, welcome back. All right, now go ahead and cut out your helicase, your DNA polymerase, and your growing RNA strand. Okay. Stop the video and do that. When you're done, return. Great, welcome back. Now what you need now is your growing mRNA strand, and you need some tape. Okay, so take those out. You'll notice on your RNA polymerase, you have a green bar here and a blue bar here. And on your growing mRNA strand, if you cut it out properly, you have a blue bar here and a green bar here. So what you're going to do is use your tape to tape the blue exactly on top of the blue, the green exactly on top of the green. And notice how it's going to bulge out a little bit and make kind of like a bridge. And you want that because you're going to need one of your strands of nucleotide to slide under there. So go ahead and take out your tape. And you're going to take your green bar on the green bar below, press that down. And then you're going to tape your blue bar on the blue bar right below it. Okay. And then what you have, you've got this little bridge here. Let me turn this sideways so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So that's going to should give you plenty of space when you have your nucleotide strand for that to slide under there. All right. So what you should have right now, you should have your mRNA polymerase put together. You should have your helicase molecule cut out. You should have your DNA polymerase molecule cut out. And then what you might want to do is punch out a bunch of these nucleotides, pop them out of the craft film like I did just here. Okay. And then I would get some kind of container to put them in. I think a plastic sandwich bag, some kind of Ziploc bag works pretty well for that. Paper bag will work well too. That way you have all your nucleotides together. You don't have to go digging around for them inside your kit. All right. That's it. That's all you need to do. Once you have that all set, you're ready to rock and roll and model the stuff on Wednesday. And then put this all back in the bag that you took this piece of paper out of. All righty. All right. Have a great day, you guys. And I will see you in class on Wednesday. Bye.